We were the first SUNY school to host the Global Game Jam. Typically what happens is our students that come, they're making prototypes. I think it's a great opportunity for students for a number of different reasons. Number one, they're going to form some deeper friendships with their peers. They're going to meet people from other departments. We've had some of the students who have participated in game jams go on to try to make video games outside of the classroom environment, outside of the game jam environment.
So I've participated in around 4 or 5 game jams, and I keep coming back because I really like creating. I pretty much solely take on the responsibility of doing the art. And it's just nice working with the team, seeing people that I wouldn't see otherwise.
We have a team from C-STEP. Naeem Williams is leading that, and they're creating a board game. We have 4 freshmen who are in a CETA 112 class, which is a video game design and programming class without programming. So we use a tool called Game Maker Studio 2, and you can drag and drop functionality. So they're understanding how applications work, they're deepening their programming skills, and just having some fun too. We're part of a worldwide effort to create video games, board games, and card games, and share those with everyone.